Assalamualaikum. So today we are from Group 5 to present in wastewater treatment is cooling system. So our team have three members. So first is Muhammad Syafiqwan bin Muhammad Lawi, Muhammad Zikri bin Zulaidi and Muhammad Azman bin Muhammad Anafiah. Today our group will present about cooling system, specifically the fan cooling tower used in industrial plant and refineries. This video explains the working principle, operation and benefit of fan cooling tower in industrial water recycle system. The video shows how hot industrial water is cooled through evaporation and airflow before being reused in the system. It also explains the role of spray nozzle, fill, and fan in improving cooling efficiency and reducing thermal pollution. In this presentation, we will discuss the function of the cooling tower, the cooling process, the chemical use, and how oil or source water, wastewater is generated from the system.
So next, I will continue this presentation. For next point is cooling process. So the cooling process starts when hot water from industrial equipment enters the cooling tower. The hot water is distributed through pipes and spray nozzles onto structure called fields. The phase increase the surface area of the water, allowing better contract between water and air. Large fans inside the cooling tower move air through the fields. When air flows through the tower, a small portion of the water evaporates. So during evaporation, heat is removed from the water. As a result, the water temperature becomes lower. So lastly, the cool water is then collected at the bottom of the cooling tower and sent back into the industrial process for reuse. So the next point is chemical or additive use. Several chemicals are used in cooling tower system to maintain efficiency and protect the equipment. One example is corrosion inhibitors, which help to prevent rust and damage to pipes and metal surface. Biocides and chlorine are also added to control bacteria, algae, and microorganism growth inside the system. In addition, anti-scaling chemicals are used to prevent mineral deposits from forming inside the pipes and cooling tower. These chemicals are important because they improve system performance and reduce maintenance problem.
Okay, thank you, Shafiq. So I will continue the next presentation. How wastewater is generated. Although cooling tower are useful, they can also generate wastewater. One source of wastewater is the blowdown process. Blowdown happen when part of the cooling water is discharged to remove excess mineral, salt, and contaminant from the system. This wastewater may contain dissolved chemical, suspended solid, and treatment chemical from the cooling process. Oily wastewater can also occur when oil or hydrocarbon leak from industrial machinery and mix with the cooling water. In some cases, contaminant and chemical compound may also create sour wastewater. Therefore, wastewater from cooling system must be properly treated before being released into the environment. For conclusion, fan cooling tower are very important in industrial cooling system because they help recycle water and remove heat efficiency. However, cooling system also produce wastewater containing chemical, mineral, and contaminant. Proper wastewater treatment is necessary to protect the environment and maintain safe industrial operation. That's all from our group.